I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to receive money through Western Union, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Find a Western Union location. Locate a nearby Western Union agent or retail location. You can use the Western Union website or app to find the closest one. Step 2. Prepare your information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Visit the location. Go to the Western Union location with your identification and the information you prepared. Make sure to bring a valid ID like a passport or driver's license. Step 4. Complete the form. At the location, fill out the form for receiving money. You allow me to provide your personal details and the MTCN. Double check your entries to avoid any issues. Step 5. Collect your money. Once your information is verified, you allow receive your funds in cash. Keep the receipt for your records. If you're in a busy location, be prepared for a short wait. I hope this guide helps you navigate receiving money through Western Union. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.